Hi everyone, I am Nirav and welcome to Always On Configuration video series. So till now we have created the Windows failover cluster and we have configured it in a node 1 and node 2. Now in this video we will create a SQL server always on configuration. So for that we will require a SQL server on node 1 and node 2 and we will require the SSMS. So now open the server manager. So right now I am in a node 2. Go to the local server, enable the internet enhanced security configuration, open the Internet Explorer and type google.com and download SQL server. So click on SQL server Microsoft link and second link would be the go down and download the developer edition. Save it. Here you can download SQL Server 2018. I am going to download SQL Server 2017, SSMS 2017. Save it. The download is going on. Yeah. So now download is completed. Copy a both file or you can cut it and create one folder on a C drive. Paste it. You can share this file everyone. So we no need to again download this file for node 1. So let's install the SQL server. So let's first copy this, first download the media file. So download on the same folder, click on OK, download. So please wait till download completed. So now download successful, close it. Now connect the node 1 and type the media file path and copy the all three files. Not require the SSMS here, only just copy these two files into the C drive. Copy it. So now we have successfully copied the SQL Server media file on a node 1. So now in this video we have just downloaded the SQL Server Developer Edition and SSMS. In the next video we will install the SQL Server and we will create a one service account in a domain controller node. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.